Hello and welcome back to my channel. I hope everyone had a lovely Christmas and New Year. Mine was really quiet this year, but I actually really like it like that. I am coming to you with the first Zara haul of the year. This one's actually a sale haul and I had to take things out of my basket because it was literally like there was so much I wanted, and I just wanted to, I haven't even tried anything on, I just wanted to firstly come on and show you guys it before I've tried it on so we can see together. Right, so the thing that I wanted the most, I was so happy when it didn't sell out. I literally checked out at like 3 seconds past 6 on Boxing Day, like stopped eating my dinner and I was like, what is my life? So this is the first little it's a little jacket, but it's a cord, so I feel like I can only wear it as a top and a jacket. So dead versatile. And then it came with, it didn't come with these, I bought them separate, but this is the matching trouser. So obviously I can wear them as a cord or I can wear the trousers something else, the top something else. Actually, it's really nice with this little brown tee, which by the way is also from Zara. And I'm not a massive Zara shopper, right? So sizes for me, I didn't know really what to go with, especially for bottoms. I'm a dead funny size. So for reference, I am 5'1" and I'm a curvy size 6, so curvy everywhere, bum, hips, but then my waist is small, and then because of my height, I don't suit oversized. So this is the first little jacket. I feel like I can actually try this on just now. I've got it in a size extra small, so the full price was $55.99, which I would never pay for this, but I feel like in the sale set it was like 40% off or something. Because it is quite thin, although it's a really nice material. That's so nice. That's so nice. It's a nice material, but never worth like the full price. So if I can kind of show you, that's the material. It looks like a linen sort of material, but it's not, it's smooth. That's smart, right? I tried to put on my wide lens, but for some reason the camera wasn't like having a fit, so we couldn't do it. But obviously you'll see at the side, but I'll try them on together to show you at the side. I love that. I absolutely love that. So basic, but like I just want to build a more staple basic wardrobe. The trousers, I've got in an extra small. I feel like I could be a small in Zara, or I might be just all different sizes and all different things. And these were $35.99, so maybe 40% off as well. So they're a full length trouser, and I think they're a wide leg all the way down. I hope they have fake pockets on the back, so we're like the little button detailing. Button at the front, zip, and then we do actually have real pockets, which is so nice. And then you'll be able to see the material a bit better here. That is the material. Now these are thin. I mean thin. You can see through these like pretty badly. So considering that this set would have been like nearly £90, is that right? No, but in the sale, yes. So I'm hoping so much that these fit and look nice as a wee set. Now, I did actually pick up another wee similar set. I know this is like a bit samey because I'm loving a cord now. This is like a denim version of it, right? Super thin denim. Like when I say denim, it's not even denim. Looks like denim, but thin as anything. Like would not keep you warm at all. And they never had my size left in this. So I had to order a small instead of an extra small, and this was $49.99. But it's got really nice detailing. Like, is this called a lapel? I don't know what you call that. So it like overlays and then buttons here, and then the gold button detailing all the way down. I just think it's so nice. And this is how the material looks close up. So obviously it looks like denim, and then with the contrast stitching, it's super cute. Now it's obviously going to be too big, but I'm wondering if it's going to be fine. I'm just so excited to try these on, I swear. Like, I've left this box sitting here sealed for a good few days because I wanted to film this video and see it first time like we use. So that is the wee jacket. Is it okay? Like, is it okay? I honestly wish I could have got my wide angle lens on. I can't, let me see if I can get the camera further back. Right, we've got a wee bit more distance, so like, I feel like that might be okay. I know it is a wee bit big, but I want to keep it as a set, so I reckon that'll work. I reckon we can definitely make this work. That's cute. That is cute. And then of course I had to get the matching bottoms. I'm saying this is cute, hope it fits, but these are tiny, so not entirely sure how these are going to look. Again, really thin denim, like it's movie, it's floaty, it's not like your sturdy denim like jeans. Again, with the contrast stitching and the beautiful little button detail here. And then we do have what do we call it? Like a pinstripe stitch, but like 3D out the front, which I just love. I feel like that shape is super flattering on me, and I'm so glad that these are wide leg all the way down, because it was a brown set that I wanted so much. But the bottoms on it were flare, and oh, I can't deal. I cannot deal with flares. Like honestly, I feel like I'm back and then was it the early 2000s or whatever. Oh, like my youth, we wore those flares. I can't deal with them, but I'm so happy these were the wide leg. The fake pockets at the back with the wee flap. I feel like this detailing just adds something to it. It doesn't matter that that's a fake pocket. I feel like the detailing adds to it. And then these are real pockets. No way, I didn't think they were real pockets. That is so cute. So yeah, that is the full set. Did I tell you how much these were? These were $29.99. I do think everything is 40% off, but I'll put it on the screen. And I have them in an extra small. Wish me luck. And then the last little set I got is this. And I have another one in my basket. When I was waiting until I tried all this on to find out like what I can afford. So this is more like for spring, summer, I would say. And I definitely feel like I could take this on holiday. So this is a wee waistcoat. Now this is a nice material. This is like a blazer material. It's thick, it's got shoulder pads, so we're going to get some shape in here. It's quite wide, but I feel like that might work. And then obviously I can wear this with jeans, or with, I don't know, with anything, with like those other wee ones that have like the trousers that match this. That is so nice. The colour is so nice. It's neutral. I got this in an extra small and it was $35.99, so you can see the material. Hopefully you can see the material on that. I think if I switch this off, I think you can see the material better now. So that's the material there. It's super soft, like it's quite thick. Again, with the gold button detail in here, which I think just sets off the top. And then this is the matching trousers. I think these are 3/4. Now this is when I get into like funny territory, because I'm only 5'1". These might be just like half mast. They might look like they've shrunk rather than actually meant to be like that. So the same nice thick material. They're nowhere near as see-through as the other two sets that I've had. I got them in an extra small, $29.99. Now I think they look a wee bit bigger in the waist. Hopefully they'll be all right, and we look like we've got more space here. So these are looking promising. The pockets on the back are fake, but they've got the detailing, and the pockets on the side are real but tiny, but they're real. But yeah, again with the gold detailing, and they are wide all the way down. If I hold them to me, yeah, they're sitting just right at my ankle. So hopefully these are going to work out all right. So that completes this wee Zara haul. Now I have got other things in my basket, so we're going to be back in a couple of days with a part 2. And hopefully the audio was all right on this, because I was wearing the mic. But yeah, I am so excited for 2026 fashion. I am hoping we bring back some glam. I have never been the person who likes like the big massive baggy trousers, pyjama looking kind of vibe with the Uggs. Like it's no me in the slightest. Like the massive oversized looks. Like I'm here for some Emily in Paris looks, some nice tailoring, all the glam. Let's bring back some nice makeup. I'm so excited for 2026. But yeah, thank you so much for watching. I will see you for the next video very soon. Ciao. Mwah.